What's up, you guys? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. What's up? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I love you so much. Thank you for checking out the channel. If you're new to gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, please click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you. You're the best. Thank you for being here, you guys. I just made a 10-minute video on starting your garden in buckets and how to start your patio with using your Home Depot buckets. Nothing recorded, you guys. Come to find out the camera ran out of memory. I'm sorry. So today things changed. God said not today. Okay, you're gonna do something else. And in this video I even have an update for you so I can show you the after effects. Okay, thank you so much for being here. Share the video, leave a comment if you like, click the bell, you'll get notifications. Hope you saw the YouTube commercial, you guys. I love it. I'm not going to even touch on what people are saying on the YouTube channel, but that's just some people that want to be them. They just want to be negative. Some want to be negative. So let's just jump right into it. Today I'm going to show you how to germinate your seeds within a few days using a simple paper towel and a spray. So what you want to do, take your paper towel, stick it in something that's water free, water drip free. Okay. Take you a couple of beans. These are some lima. Couple of lima beans, just like that. This is very simple, easy. Hope you keep this under 5 minutes. You see that? Just lay your lima beans on there like that. Spray them with water. Very simple and easy. Spray them with water just like that. Fold your paper towel. And you just want enough water so they're completely immersed, you know. Just like that. See? And you can barely squeeze a little water out of it. And that's what it looks like. You can fold it again if you like. And then all you're going to do is take it and put it inside of a Ziploc bag. Seal it off. Place this in a cool, dry place. No direct sunlight if you can avoid it. And in a few days, literally a few days, look, you guys, germination. Let me put it in my hand, you can see a little better. And this is also a good way to tell what seeds you have, if they're good or if they're not. You know, some people are like, plant way more than you need. That way if some don't germinate, you don't have to worry about it. How about plant a few in some paper towels and water, and you'll know for sure what's good and what's not. You see that? And this has only been about 3 days. Lima beans. So I'm going to let these continue to germinate because some have not. As you can see, that one hasn't done anything. But some of them have. Looks like the bigger ones took off, you guys. So I'm just going to fold it back up in the paper towel. Give it a squirt. Like so. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, just a little squirt, y'all. Put it back in our Ziploc bag, and I marked mine with a black marker. Hopefully it won't wash away, but I know what's in here. Like I said, just seal it up, fold it, and put it back in the container. And we have several seeds germinating, you guys. Let's take a look and see how the process actually works on other beans. Let's see. Nothing with these yet. These are some huge beans. Nothing going on with those quite yet. Let's check out some of these. Oh, okay, we got one in there that's germinating. Hope you can see that. That one right there. Yeah, and that's how you do it. Well, some of them, oh yeah, you see those little pieces popping out? They're germinating. And this is the same thing they would do in the ground if they were kept moist. Alright, so I'm going to take them back. No, I'm going to put this one back and this one, yeah. And there you have it, you guys. Seal, fold. Room temperature spot out of direct sunlight. And your beans will start to germinate. Or any other seeds you want to do like that. I've done several things like that. You know the onions we planted the other day? Look, you guys, just a sidebar. Look at the onions. Hope you can see them. Told you, simple, easy. They're coming on up. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh, cool stuff, you guys, and eat it. You're the best.